It's time to do another update video about this ZIPPO inside this protective case. I skipped the week 8 because I didn't use this at all. But now it's the week 9, so about 63 days has gone since we last time filled this ZIPPO. And I've been using it weekly except the week 8. And I just filled these 3 lanterns with kerosene, which I try to light up with this ZIPPO, and hopefully it's successful because I don't have my second lighter with me right now. It's in the car. But yeah, let's try to light these lanterns. And first open this case. There's a smell of gasoline. Week 9. In Houston we have a successful ignition. I have never tried to light these lanterns with the ZIPPO, so I don't know how this will work, but let's try. Do a little adjustment here. It was not all the way locked. Lift a little bit that wick. So first lantern at least works. This was fully empty. I don't know, has the wick any moist yet? But let's give it a try too. Didn't light up. And then the biggest lantern. I don't even remember when this has been used, so let's see what happens with this one. It has a really big wick. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. At least the ZIPPO works after 9 weeks. Waiting a little bit smoke. Oh, 3 lanterns. We managed to light up with the ZIPPO, which has been filled last time 9 weeks ago. Pretty awesome little case. That is like I previously said, this has to be almost airtight because it has kept the fuel so long inside. And there's this seal, rubber seal, I think, which is the reason it has held the fuel inside so long. Yeah, this was the week 9, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.